should know me. I've always been in your mind. You know I will be kind. I'll be guiding you. Building your dream has to start now. There's no other road to take. You won't make a mistake. I'll be guiding you. You have to believe we are magic. Nothing can stand in our way. You have to believe we are magic. Don't let your aim ever stray. And if all your hopes survive, destiny will arrive. I'll bring all your dreams alive for you. I'll bring all your dreams alive.
You are invited to Salt Lake's first home video show, featuring the latest developments in video products for your home. See the new lightweight color cameras, the long-awaited video disc, spectacular life-size TVs. It's all part of TV Specialist's grand opening celebration. Free door prizes and fantastic savings on videotape and equipment. The Home Video Show at TV Specialists, 180 East 21st South, this Thursday and Friday, September 20th and 21st from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. The Home Video Show.
From where I stand, you are home free. The planets align so rare. There's promise in the air, and I'm guiding you through it.
Buying video products isn't always easy. But at TV Specialists, we give you 34 years of quality, service, and price. Like this new Panasonic PV200 camcorder with VHS recorder built right in. Now, taking video movies of life's special moments is more convenient and easier than ever before. For high technology and low prices, see a specialist at TV Specialists.
Every turn, I'll be near you. I'll come anytime you call. I'll catch you when you fall. I'll be guiding you. You have to believe we are magic. Nothing can stand in our way. You have to believe we are magic. Don't let your aim ever stray. And if all your hopes survive, destiny will arrive. I'll bring all your dreams alive for you. I'll bring all your dreams alive for
Listen to the details from Ted Bollinger, Vice President and Sales Manager of TV Specialists.
Everything has been planned to make this year's selling event another success. We're excited about it because each event can produce an increase in sales for your products over and above forecasted levels. But that's not all you're going to be getting for your money. Our events will be promoted with television and print advertising that will give your brand better name awareness and provide for an increase in residual sales in later months. We know this market. We know your product. We've got the programs to make 1986 the best year ever for both of us. Everyone wins when you join us in this exciting campaign.
For the special moments, the special feelings, catch magic of special times.
Now at TV Specialists, Sony's new 8mm Handycam Sports takes video movies farther than ever. Its water-resistant shell lets you shoot up to 2 hours almost anywhere.
For the special service, the special value, let the specialist help you find.
TV Specialists.
Specialists is not a typical video retailer. We're different in several important ways that help us do a better job of selling your products. First, at TV Specialists, video equipment is our only business. We carry virtually every major brand in both home components and professional equipment for business and industry. Because we specialize in video, we know your products inside out, and we know how to sell their advantages and benefits. Second, TV Specialists is a full-service video dealership. We specialize in customizing home component packages and designing and installing professional video systems. We carry complete lines of accessories. We service everything we sell with 19 full-time factory-trained technicians and one of the largest in-store parts inventories in the West. We also maintain a fleet of radio-dispatched vans for mobile service wherever it's needed. Superior selection is another benefit customers enjoy at TV Specialists. Each of our 5 demonstration rooms allows side-by-side comparisons of the latest products from the top names in video. Our inventory is one of the region's largest, assuring that your products will be in stock when customers are ready to buy.
Bring all your dreams alive for you. Bring all your dreams alive for
border on it. Control.
very low profile on the shoulder. The battery is located here to insert a standard VHS cassette with unit power.
Technologies that have changed as rapidly and dramatically as what you're watching now, television. New tonight, Jerry Anders concludes this week's cover story with advances in consumer electronics that have changed the very nature of TV, literally putting it in the hands of the people.
40 or so years ago, it took a truckload of bulky equipment and an army of technicians to obtain television images away from the studio. Almost like pilgrims visiting a religious shrine, the public would reverently line up to get a brief glimpse of the inner workings of a mystical technology. Television was the exclusive and private domain of the high priests of video. Today, broadcast television is still complex and expensive. But something entirely unexpected has happened over the past few years. Today, producing television images is no more difficult or exotic than making toast, and the TV camera is becoming as common and easy to operate as any household appliance.
The adjustment of the color, the adjustment of the light, the adjustment of the focus, everything is now handled all automatically, so it really is point and shoot.
All this the result of a camcorder revolution, marvels of microcircuitry that virtually anyone can operate.
Now, if you hit that, you'll hear a little beep.
In the past 5 years, sales have skyrocketed, and for good reason.
For one thing, the price is going way down, and it's making it much more available to many people.
Just 10 years ago, this home video system sold for $2,000, a bulky, awkward, low-tech monster with a tape deck that weighed in at a back-breaking 22 pounds. Today, camcorders weighing only a few pounds can be had for as little as $700. And for that same $2,000, an amazingly tiny system, complete with liquid crystal color monitor, super VHS recorder, and a high-resolution camera that's no larger than a pack of cigarettes. And that's not all.
And it's recording stereo high-fidelity sound with the same quality as a compact disc.
Better, smaller, cheaper, and certainly easier to operate, the camcorder has shattered the barrier that once stood between the American public and the exclusive world of TV. Television is now in the hands of the people, and virtually every aspect of life, from the bizarre to the erotic, from the mundane to the dramatic, is being recorded on magnetic tape.
It is becoming a bigger and bigger part of our lives, not just sitting there watching it, though, becoming involved and interacting with it.
An interaction that's become increasingly sophisticated. Once only commercial production studios could edit tape and produce video effects. Now home versions of that same production equipment are on the amateur market. The result? Home videos that are beginning to look a lot like professional productions.
Out in the midday sun, the Japanese don't care to, the Chinese.
And they can become very exciting when they start to add music to them and edit them just like a production studio does. And that's what people are beginning to find out, and the manufacturers are building equipment to go with their camcorders now to allow that creativity.
Since the very beginning, Americans have been fascinated by television, a fascination that has by no means been diminished by a revolution in technology. Obviously, there's a lot more to TV these days than sitting passively in front of the screen and watching. Jerry Anders for Cover Story.